Sennheiser's TeamConnect Ceiling microphones continue to revolutionize conference and classroom audio with their ease of use, simple installation, and advanced automatic beamforming technology. And now, when designing such spaces where a VoiceLift application is needed, we have developed a patented TruVoicelift feature that really does take audio performance to a new level. Let's take a look at what VoiceLift is as a general function. At its core, VoiceLift is a sound system that lightly amplifies voices evenly across a room, making it easier for everyone within the space to hear the presenter. It improves intelligibility in spaces where voices might not carry well, such as larger meeting rooms and lecture halls. This can, however, be tricky to accomplish without creating acoustic feedback as a result of room design or loudspeaker and microphone selection. This is where Sennheiser's TruVoicelift really stands out. With its versatile coverage, TruVoicelift and our beamforming technology provide excellent coverage regardless of the scale of the event. Whether it's someone giving a speech or a large panel discussion involving multiple participants, the system ensures everyone's voice is clearly heard. This consistent performance under varying conditions makes it a reliable solution for all types of lecture halls and training rooms. Sennheiser's TruVoicelift algorithm has two features that minimize feedback and allow for significantly louder speech amplification versus other solutions. The first is Frequency Shifter, which constantly adjusts the in-room audio signal for optimal feedback rejection by changing the frequency yet keeping a high level of intelligibility. The second is a Feedback Prevent Mute function, which, when a certain threshold is reached, the microphone is muted for a few seconds to prevent a feedback loop. In addition, advanced exclusion zones can be used to focus the coverage of the microphone pickup area and ensure that the loudspeakers in the room are not detected as a speech source, thereby preventing early feedback in the system. Furthermore, depending on the size and configuration of a space, additional TeamConnect Ceiling microphones can also be installed as audience microphones, thereby eliminating the need for additional traditional microphones, which often require constant maintenance and AV technician supervision. The addition of TruVoicelift makes TeamConnect Ceiling 2 and medium microphones the best choice for in-room audio for classrooms, lecture halls, boardrooms, and a wide range of other educational and corporate spaces.